Sincerely Grace. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing with you guys. So I actually just got this package in, and let me cover my address, but I am so excited. So this is actually an item that I was on a wait list for, and I can't believe it has arrived. So let me show you guys what I got. So it is Louis Vuitton, and this is the box that it comes with. So let me take this out. And this is the lovely box, and here is the receipt, and I will show you guys this later. But to give you guys a little backstory on this particular item. So while I was in San Francisco, I went into the Louis Vuitton store and I asked for this item, and they're like, ma'am, it's sold out. I recommend you get on a wait list. And I've heard the story many times before, and I do not know why it took me so long to get on a wait list. I would always go into a Louis Vuitton store and I would basically cross my fingers that this item would be there whenever I asked for it, and who am I kidding? It never was. So I finally got on a wait list, and this sales rep called me a couple of days ago and said, ma'am, it's available. Would you like me to ship it out to you? So I said yes. So this is the lovely packaging, and let me go ahead and open it up. I'm so excited. So there goes the ribbon, because I'm never going to be able to tie it the same. This is the item. And it is not a purse. It is actually the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. So I have been wanting this toiletry bag for a while, and I literally would walk into every Louis Vuitton store and ask for this particularly toiletry bag, and they would always tell me, ma'am, it's sold out, you need to be added to a wait list. And I never listened. It was up until my San Francisco trip that I was like, okay, I haven't been successful online. I haven't been successful every time I walk into a Louis Vuitton store. So I got added to the wait list, and it took me about a month to receive this. So if you're looking for this toiletry bag, they do exist, and you can get your hands on it. You just have to be patient. I strongly suggest to get on a wait list, because you will eventually get it. But yeah, this is a toiletry bag that I ordered, and I could not be more excited. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to use it for. I know a lot of people either use it as a clutch, they use it as a makeup bag. I've seen people actually wear it as a crossbody bag, where they attach a strap here and then attach a strap on the other side, and they can actually wear it crossbody. So I think I'm going to use this more as a makeup bag into my slimmer, more structured bags, like my Prada bag, because I do find that my makeup bag that I have, my cosmetic bag, GM, is a little bit bulky on the sides. Therefore, it makes my bags look oddly shaped, if that makes sense. But this, as you can see, is a lot slimmer. I do have to mention that this does come in 3 different sizes. This is the biggest size, the 26, then the medium size is the 19, I believe, and then the smallest size is the 15. So I am going to try this out and see how I like it, and I think I actually might order the 19 next. And this bag also has a protector inside, like a protectant fabric, so you can easily wipe it down, and that's why a lot of people do use it as a makeup bag, or they would use it as a travel bag to like put your like your shampoo or any liquid, so that way you know that it's protected and it will not get damaged. But I did want to go ahead and mention, like I said, I think it comes in I know it comes in 3 different sizes. It's the 26, which is this one, the 19th, and then the 15th. And let me go ahead and show you guys the prices. So I think one of the reasons why this toiletry bag is so sought out for and it's really hard to get a hold of is because it's a pretty big bag itself. It's very versatile and because of its price point. So these are actually very affordable when we're talking about luxury items, of course. So this one, it does retail for, and this is the biggest one. So this one does retail for $445. So considering that it is a luxury item, $445 for something of this size, in my opinion, is a really good deal. And if you're thinking about getting started in like a luxury item collection, I would strongly suggest to look for something like this. That's very versatile. You can easily use it in multiple ways, but that it doesn't break the bank. So like I said, this is $445. And I don't know how much the 19 is or the toiletry 15 is, but it's going to be slightly cheaper than this and obviously more affordable. That is all for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing just as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Bye.